Good morning, students. Today we will do comprehension. I will give you two passages and some questions below. I will read it for you, and afterwards you will read it again and find the answer of these question answer from the passage. Okay? So let us start. So this is our first passage. Let us read. It was a very pleasant day. Pleasant day means very satisfying day when you feel very happy. Okay, a cool breeze was blowing. Breeze means air. Cool breeze was blowing. Rahul and Rishika were quite excited. Their mother was taking them to an amusement park. She had already kept a 500 rupee note to pay for the joyrides. But when she opened her purse to take out something, the note just flew away. Both the children ran after it, but they could not find it. Sorry, dear, said their mother. We have to cancel the program. I don't have more money today. It's all right, Ma, said the children. Thought they were disappointed. Since we are not going out, let us clean and decorate the house, Rishika suggested. So Rahul went out to pick some roses. There he saw the 500 notes stuck among the roses. He shouted with joy to see the note. So this is the passage. Read it again, and there are some questions given below. You have to answer it. First question is, complete the following sentence. Their mother was dash. This line is given in the passage. Read the passage and find the answer. Second is, what happened to the note? Third, where was the note finally found? Fourth, fill the correct option. Since we are not going out, let us clean and dash our house, Rishika suggested. This line is given in the passage. Read the passage and find the answer. Fifth is, write the antonym of these words. Antonym means opposite word. First word is dirty. Second word is cool. You have to write the opposite word of these two words, dirty and cool. So we have done first passage. This is our second passage. Let us read. It was Rohan's birthday. Many of his friends had come. Everyone decided to play hide and seek. His friends hid inside the house. Rohan went to the opposite house to hide behind a tree. That house belonged to an old man and his wife. As he passed by their window, he was shocked to see that the old couple was sitting on a chair with their hands and legs tied with a rope. Three strangers were busy searching the cupboards. Clothes and other things were spread on the floor. He ran home and told his father what he had seen. He and his friends took some sticks and ran to the old man's house. Meanwhile, his father had informed the police on phone. When the robbers means thieves, saw people coming, they tried to escape. Escape means run away. But the police came on time and arrested them. Rohan untied the rope and set the old couple free. Rohan untied the rope and set the old couple free. Everyone praised him for being alert and helping the couple. So this is the passage and questions are given. First question is, which game did everyone play? Read the passage and find the answer. What did Rohan see in the house of the old couple? Third question, who informed the police? Next question, pick out the word from the passage that are opposite to the following words. First is new and second is standing. You have to write the opposite word of these two words. So, read the passage again and find the answer of the given question. Thank you. Have a nice day.